My dear friend, hello everyone. One vacancy is open, especially in Government of Odisha in Higher Education Department. So here, generally this vacancy is open for the recruitment of 4476 lectures in the subjects of Hindi, History, Odia in non-government aided colleges of the state after rating and approval. Here we are seeing that based on the advertisement of Odisha government, here we are seeing that generally 476 vacancies there, and here scale of 44,900 to 1,42,400. Pay matrix there followed the pay matrix level 10, and here we are seeing that opening date 13/4/2022 and closing date for online application, that is the 12/5/2022. How to apply? There generally online mode applications are there, and vacancy position that are showing the vacancy position, generally 3 subjects are there: Odia, History, Hindi. And Odia subjects 278, out of that ST 61 and SC 45, SE 33, UR 139. And history we are seeing that 182, 41 for ST, 30 for SC, 22 for SE, and 89 for general. And okay, so out of 278 in Odia subject, 186 for male and 92 for women. And here out of 182, 60 allotted for women, and 16 out of 16, 5 allotted for women. So here we are seeing that are the vacancy list opened here, and so we are seeing that age limits attain minimum must be at 21 years and must not be above the 42. That are the foundation for the age for the students. And age relaxation is there as per Government of Odisha. Educational qualification, that is the master degree must be in the concerned subject, at least 55% marks is required. And in case of TRICE, SCBC and PWD, in that cases, generally at least 50% marks are required. And procedure of selection, here we are seeing that maximum for lecturer, maximum 25, PhD 25, MPhil 10. So based on that, so the distribution of the marks: career 25, rated 150, viva voce 25, total 200 marks are there. Based on that, they will select the students. And written examination, they will take different town of the Odisha, that's like Balasore, Barhampur, Bhubaneswar, Bolangir, Cuttack, Jibia, Rourkela and Sambalpur. Different zones, they will take the exam. Application fee for non-refundable, non-adjustable fee for general category and SCBC category 500, and for SC, ST and PWD is 200 rupees. 200 rupees. Procedure application only online mode only, and during document verification time, means before viva voce test, documents will be verified. That time you bring the original certificates. And different as per Government of Odisha, there are different eligibility conditions are there. Those who are doing government job, so they will produce the no objection certificate. Other conditions, generally written and viva voce test will be provisional. And must be you visit the SSB Odisha.ac.in. You visit that website and you will get that particular PDF, and also their online link is there for applying for that particular lecture post. and during certificate documents to be submitted at the time of verification, that time must be you produce that hard copy of application form, then another degree certificates, MPhil certificate, PhD certificate, NET certificate, so caste certificate. So that type of things you will produce during certificate verification time. And how to apply? You go to website ssbodisha.ac.in and you fill up the particular form as per the instructions, and then you will apply by the depositing the application fees. Thanks to all. You visit my channel, Dr. Sandeep Kunal, visit my channel and you will subscribe my channel, and also you will get service updates, especially you will get job updates time to time. I request you all, please subscribe my channel and you will get updates about the service, about throughout the India. You will get updates about all the jobs. Thanks to all, and also I will update that particular video, so everyone see and subscribe my channel, and also I will share that particular PDF also in that particular video link. Thanks to all.